I will talk about how can you find usage and statistics on your Reverso context app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you just go down, you keep going down here. So then you click here on usage and statistics, you just click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all usage and statistics here you have. So I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.